Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to refund a customer in QuickBooks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. And you are all set. Now, refunding a customer in QuickBooks can be necessary for a lot of reasons, primarily to maintain accurate financial records and customer satisfaction. In my situation, a customer returned a product due to dissatisfaction, or say for any other reason. Issuing a refund ensures that the customer is reimbursed appropriately. Now, if an order is cancelled by the customer or the business, refunding any payments already made is essential to close out the transaction accurately. Sometimes billing errors occur, such as overcharging a customer or charging for items not received. And obviously, refunding corrects these mistakes and maintains customers' trust. Now, for us to be able to issue a refund, all you have to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard. This interface might be different from the account type that you are using because I'm using the standard plan. But click on New, and from here, under Customer, hover down to the refund receipt. Right? Now, from here, you will be directed to a new page wherein all we have to do is just choose a customer, and from here just put out the refund receipt date. It's probably like around May 30th. Now you can manage the tags right here. In terms of the tags, you can click on the manage tags and you can create a tags right here and click on save. But that's advanced technique. Now you need to choose the payment method. Is it gonna be cash? Is it gonna be check, credit card, or direct debit? But if it's not here, you might want to click on the add new, and from here click on type in if this is a credit card. All right, and you refund from which account. Is it gonna be cash and equivalents, allowance for bad debt? Now, if you want to add more, click on the all the details here. All right, and make sure all is accurate, because in the in-service business, billing occurs errors such as overcharging the customers, and disputes may arise over the quality or completion of services rendered. Now, issuing a refund can resolve such disputes. Now, from here, you can choose a product service. Maybe something like right, let's say services, a description. It's up to you. You can also put the amount. Say, is it gonna be $500 or is it gonna be 20? Now you can also put a certain customized message to the customer who issued the refund. All right, also the message displayed on statement. All right, it's so all is customizable, especially if a customer was eligible for a promotion or discount that wasn't applied during the initial transaction. You might want to put some here, discount. And now you also have an option to attach an attachment to your file for the supplemental information. And once you are clear about everything right here, just click on, you have two options. You can save and close, or you can save and send. All right. Remember that recording refunds accurately in QuickBooks ensures that final statements reflect the true financial position of the business and facilitate proper reconciliation. Now, in an event that you are having problems issuing a refund in QBO, you might want to go to the QuickBooks support. And from here, just choose the product that you have and click on continue, and the agent will be more than glad to assist you about refunding a customer. And you can also call these numbers 1-800-2064-1981, and these are the available times that you can call or reach them. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.